Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Crypto Insights, where we are unveiling the latest innovations in the blockchain space. Today, we are stepping into the world of unfungible innovation in blockchain space. These are NFTs with immutable, positioned as the first layer 2 scaling solution for NFTs on Ethereum. Immutable X is redefining the landscape of decentralized digital assets. I am your host Krishna Sharma, and let's dive into the fascinating realm of Immutable X. So, we have introduction to Immutable X. Immutable X emerged as a groundbreaking layer 2 scaling solution design. So, especially for NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, addressing Ethereum's challenges such as scalability issues, poor user experience, and high gas fees. Immutable leverages stock JX rollup technology endorsed by Ethereum owned Vitalik Buterin. So, with a focus of instant trading, massive scalability, and zero gas fees on minting and trading NFTs, Immutable X promises to deliver a world-class experience for both users and developers. So, who are the founders of Immutable? Immutable was founded by James Ferguson and Robbie Ferguson, for recognized entrepreneur. In the Forbes 30 under 30 list, James, a leader at a $1 billion e-commerce company, and Robbie, a Thiel Fellow, embark on a mission to transform the NFTs landscape with a diverse team of over 100 members. So, Immutable secured investment from key players in the blockchain industries, including Coinbase, Nesper, and Galaxy Digital. So, what are the unique features of Immutable X? So, what set Immutable X apart is its utilization of JX rollups, making it one of the first layer 2 solution exclusively focused on NFTs. The position the project at a forefront of Ethereum's development, with the potential to become the default NFTs blockchain in the future. So, the API abstraction layer is a critical component, allowing every NFT's related interaction to be simple API call on Immutable X. With REST APIs, minting, trading, and transferring NFTs become seamless, attracting new entrants like established gaming and content companies to the space. So, Immutable tokenomic IMX, the native ERC20 utility token of Immutable X, plays a central role in the protocol ecosystem, serving purposes such as a fees staking. A government's IMX ensure active participation and contribution from its community. So, with a total supply of 2 billion tokens, IMX is distributed across ecosystem development, project development, private and public sales, and the foundation. So, security mechanism of Immutable. So, as a layer 2 blockchain with zero gas fees, Immutable benefits from the ether security of Ethereum. Unlike centralized sidechain, Immutable is secured by Ethereum's native security, making a 51% attack unfeasible. Leverages JK rollups with Stark proof. Immutable ensure the security of asset traded on its blockchain. So, while the validity proof is stored on the Ethereum layer 1 blockchain. So, here we have a conclusion on Immutable X. So, as we conclude our journey into the realm of Immutable X, Immutable is excited to explore Immutable X and its native IMX token. You can find IMX listed on major exchanges like OK, Huobi, Global, Bybit, and BitGet. So, whether you are a trader, investor, or NFT enthusiast, these platforms offer opportunities to engage with Immutable X and be part of decentralized NFTs revolution. So, it's evident that the project stands as a beacon on innovation in the NFT space. With JK rollups, zero gas fees, and a user centric approach, immutable access shaping the future of decentralized digital assets. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thought in the comment below. So until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of blockchain with Crypto Insight. See you soon.